Hi everyone, it's Zuri Fx. I'm doing my entry for the NYX Face Awards, and right now I'm putting on my wig. FYI, I got this wig for $4.99. So I'm doing two braids and putting them in the back and tying them up, making a little style. Now putting gray face paint all over. Now I'm just testing my white face paint. Now I'm putting the white face paint as a highlight or my contour. And rubbing it off my cloth to take some of the product off so I can blend it out easier. Going down to my chest area and highlighting everything. And putting down face powder. It's like a shimmer powder, and I'm putting that all over. And contouring with a little bit of a darker gray eyeshadow. Contour my nose, of course. And putting some more powder underneath my eyes to blend it out. Putting a darker gray and contouring a little bit more. Putting a nice little hair point on my forehead. And decided to go with white eyebrows. So I'm just combing in some white face paint in my eyebrow. And next putting jumbo pen white on my eyebrow. Makeup time, my eye look. Very simple. It's a simple cut crease with different shadows of gray. Next, outlining my eyebrows, very thin line. So I kind of took my time on this one because you can't mess up on this one. Lash time. Next, painting my ears, my little elf ears, and just putting some latex into the ear and placing it on my ear. I'm going to snug it up in there, and then I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And all done with that part. So I got both of my ears on. Now I really feel like an elf. Using black matte lipstick, and I thinned out my topper lip to give myself more of a pucker lip. And I didn't want to go too much with detail on my face, so I just did a little bit of lines and a little bit of dots to give it a dark elf look. Next, I'm working on my chest area, and I'm using a split paint, face paint, and I'm just taking the round sponge and placing them randomly around my chest area. Next, I'm making the vines of my flowers. In the detail, I did a tribal rose. Doing a little bit of highlights on the vines with white face paint. And I'm all done. Everybody, thank you for watching my video. This is perfect for any cosplay or Halloween. Hopefully I can see somebody recreate my video, maybe, maybe. Anyway, Zuri Fx, please like, subscribe, and comment. This is Zuri Fx over and out. Bye.